Hello everyone. Based on the response that we've gotten for Surana Life Challenge 1, I think it only makes sense if I give you the solution to the challenge with the help of this short video. So in this video, what we're going to discuss is the solution to the first challenge that was posted. And the response was actually kind of overwhelming. So I thought, why not give a detailed solution to it than just to give you the answer as a number. My name is Amit Surana and I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai. I have 6 years of experience teaching quantitative aptitude across different platforms and I have trained over 2 lakh students so far. Please don't forget to follow #CatLifeDaily the next time you're on Instagram, and don't forget to share this video and all the other videos with your friends, relatives and followers. And apart from taking free classes here on YouTube for y'all, we also take free classes on Unacademy's learning app. We call those free classes as special classes. So all that you have to do is download the app, register yourself there, and you can use all the free classes without having to pay anything for it. Alright, so here is the challenge. Let's get on. Let's first try and understand what the question is saying. Okay, it says that all keys of a keyboard do not work except the number 3. That means the only input that's possible is in forms of 3s. A program asks for input from the user in the form of one single digit number, one 2-digit number, one 3-digit number, and so on. Okay. So what would be the possible outputs here? What would be the possible inputs here? The only way a user can enter would be what? A 3 in the first go, a 33 in the second go, a 333 in the third go, and so on. Correct? Now what does it say? It displays the sum of all these numbers that were entered. Yes, so we're talking about what? The sum of all these numbers. If it takes 20 entries from the user, that means like this. This is entry 1. This is entry 2. Yes. Similarly, if 20 entries are taken, then what would our last term be? We would have 3, 3, 3, 3. How many times? 20 times. Correct? So this is the number. Now the output is supposed to show the sum of all of this. But what are they saying? We're just asking, this challenge is asking only for the second digit. Yes, only the second digit from left in the output on the display. So all that we have to find out is what will be the second digit in the output on the display. Okay. So first let's try and deal with this like an amateur, like people who do not know that this is forming a special kind of a series. Let's do this. Let's give the challenge asker the benefit of the doubt. Yes. So if we did have let's start from the top. Okay. So we would have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 20 times. Yes. Then we would have what? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 19 times. Then we would have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 18 times, 17 times, 16 times, and so on. Since we are worried only about the second digit, yes, since we are worried only about this, the second digit, yes, we're only going to look at this. Yeah. So what is going on here? What is going on here? When I go for the sum, yes, when I go for the sum here throughout, yeah, I know that from the third digit, yes, from the third digit, we would have what? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9, plus some carry forward from the fourth digit sum. Yes, some kind of a carry forward from the fourth digit. Now, what is the maximum number that can be carried forward? 9, correct? Only 9 can be carried forward. So 9 plus 9 is 18. That means the maximum number that will get carried forward will be what? Only 1. Yes, irrespective of whatever this number is, this can't be 0, that's for sure. Yes, so it would either be from 1 to 9. Yes, if it's from 1 to 9, then we know for sure that the carry forward will be 1. Yes, so if I add this plus the carry forward number, yeah, 3 plus 3 plus the carry forward number, what will I have? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Yes, and the next digit will be what? 3. So our number will look like this. Our final response to this challenge would look like this: 3, 7, and then some numbers. Correct? We would have 3, 7 and then some numbers. What is ours? Just the second digit. So our second digit here is 7. Yes. So that was successfully done, of course. Yeah. But there could be some hiccups, right? We could have, second guessing that why would it be 7? Why can't it not be 6? What if there's no carry forward, or what if the carry forward gets subsided here? A lot of questions. Yeah. So to give you an answer that you would be satisfied with, I thought, why not do it in the traditional method also? Yeah. So whenever you have terms in this form, n, 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 and so on, right? When you have terms in this format, yes, and let's say they repeat t number of times. Yes, they repeat t number of times. What you're supposed to do is this. Very simple, very simple. The sum of this, yes, the sum of all these terms is going to be what? N by 18 to 10 into 10 to the power t minus 1 minus 90. Got it? Sorry, it's not 18, it's 81, my bad. N by 81, 9 square. Yes. I'd be wondering, sir, what is the reason behind this? Yeah, it comes from this. So if I add 1 plus 11 plus 111, yes, what will be the sum? The sum is going to be 123, correct? The sum is what? 123. So let's see if this particular formula that we have would work in that case or not. Yeah. So in this case, n is what? 1. So 1 by 81 into 10 into 10 to the power t. T is what? How many times? So we have 3 times. That would make it 1000. 10 to the power 3 minus 1 minus 9 into 3. Yes. So ultimately, what would we get? We would get 1 over 81 into, this would be 999. So this would become 999 and a 0. So 9990 minus 27. Yes. Which is how much? 1 by 81 into, this will give us 9963. Yeah. So if you look at this, this is nothing but 120. Correct? 9,963, yes, divided by 81 is how much? 120. So this works. Yeah. So if we were to put this in our question, yeah, this is just to check if it works. Let's try and put this in our question. In our question, what's the scene? N is 3, correct? 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3, 3 and so on. And T is what? 20, because we are adding this 20 times. So if we can quickly plug this in here, the sum would be what? 3 by 81, which is very convenient for us because it's divisible. Then we have what? 10 into 10 to the power t, that is 10 to the power 20 minus 1 minus 9 times 20. Correct? So this would become what? 1 by 27 into, now if you want to simplify this, go ahead and do that. You would have 10 to the power 21 minus 10 minus 180, which is nothing but 1 by 27 into 10 power 21 minus 190. Now you know that whatever calculator you put this in, yes, you would ultimately get the values in terms of what? You'd get the values in terms of powers, right? Because 10 power 21 is too big a number for our standard calculator, or even and a scientific calculator to deal with. Yes. So look at this: 10 to the power 21 minus 190, right? Let's just assume that we had 10 power 3, that is 1000. Yes, 1000 minus 190 is how much? 1000 minus 190 is how much? 810. Yes. 10,000 minus 190 is how much? You would always get a number that is divisible by, you'd get what? 9810. Yes, you will always get a number that's divisible by 3 in this case. Yes, again, 10 to the power 5 minus 190, you would still get what? 99,810. Yes. So what's going on here? What's going on here? You get a number that is multiple of 3 definitely. Yes. And looking at the size of it, it also is a number that will definitely be divisible by 27. Yes or no? So, and look at the number. So we are talking about 10 to the power 21. So 10 to the power 21 minus 190 is going to be what? 9999. It will keep going on and then it will end with 810. Yes. So one thing is sure, that it is as good as being multiplied with what? 10 to the power 21. Am I right? This number is as good as being multiplied by 10 to the power 20. This will have 20 digits. Am I right? Yes. So 1 by 27 as a decimal, right? 1 by 27 is how much? 0.037037037, so on, right? So 0.037. Yes. This, when it's multiplied with almost as good as 10 to the power 20. Yeah, because 99999, we know it will end up being that. So we would get what? We would get 370370, so on. Yes. Last few digits would basically be what? 810 into 0.037. Are you getting it? The last 3 digits might be, different, but first few digits will definitely be this. Ultimately, what do we get? The second digit is 7. Yes. So the answer, a proven answer now, yes, to the challenge is 7. Cool. Yeah. So congratulations to everyone who got 7. Yes, everyone who put in their efforts or used logic or did a little bit of jugaad to get the answer. The method doesn't matter as long as your intention and the final result is right. Yeah. Congratulations, guys. And if you're hoping for some more challenges like this, stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to the Telegram group that we have. That is Unacademy Cats official Telegram group. If you are not a part of the group already, get yourself added by typing this URL on the web browser and give it permission to access Telegram. You would be added to your to our official group there, and we will soon start doing a lot of interactions like this. We will soon start doing more editions of this challenge. And if you are someone who's preparing for CAT and are facing some issues with it, or if you want to prepare CAT without putting your health at risk, but also get professional help with it, then all you have to do is go for Unacademy Plus, which is nothing but a subscription pattern of this, where you get unlimited access to live classes, you can watch recorded videos, and you can download these lectures. Again, live classes, no strings attached with respect to the educators. Yes. Currently, there are more than 900 educators on the app. That basically means you have 900 different ways to learn the same thing. Yeah, you get to interact with your favorite educators, whatever doubts, question, queries. If you want any kind of guidance, if you want any kind of help, assistance, you can definitely get that done using the subscription. There would be live polls and leaderboards throughout the sessions that will help you understand where you are with respect to your peers. How much time do you take to answer some questions? What was your average time? Have you been spending more time than others, less time than others? You'd be able to understand the relation between time and accuracy. Yes. And there is an option as a feature called Streak, which would help you know how many right answers have you been giving so far. Yeah. And definitely the test series, that is giving mock test, is definitely a big part of giving any competitive exam, right? Let alone CAT. So on Unacademy, we have 198 plus tests right now, which include full length tests, sectional tests, topic wise tests, and there are mock tests not only on CAT but also other management entrance tests. So if you are someone who is preparing for CAT and for other management entrance exams, then what I would suggest is, don't think twice, go for the subscription. There will be 899 more educators just like me there teaching. Yes, and whenever you come across any doubts while solving or while practicing, you can get them cleared using our live doubt clearing sessions, which happen every fourth day. Every fourth day is a mandatory live doubt clearing session, so your doubts will get answered, cleared live. Yes. Thank you very much for listening to me, guys. And if you're interested for the subscription, this is the fee. Yeah, and if you use my referral code Surana Live, you will get an additional 10% discount. Yes. So the 12-month course that normally would cost you 42,000, after the discount would cost you 17,500, because you will be taking a package altogether. And because you've used my referral code, you will get an additional 10% discount. That means it will cost you only 15,750. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. I'm hoping to see all of you in our regular classes. I take regular classes from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yes, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. I take regular classes on YouTube here. So I would definitely love to see all of you there. Yes. Thank you very much, guys. Keep yourself safe, happy, keep learning, and let's crack it.